My name is Michael Kuma. I'm from Gibson Construction Ltd. We are into construction services. Our services start from pre-construction, construction and post-construction. If I say pre-construction, it means the feasibility stage where the idea that you want to put up comes up. Is it a private home? Is it a factory warehouse? Is it whatever, civil works, anything you want to build? So we help you plan, do the design, we do the estimates for you, and then we also do the actual construction. And then after construction, we also do post-construction services such as renovations and remodeling, refurbishment, and all that. So you can find us in Tema, Industrial Road. Wherever you call us, we'll be able to. We work everywhere across the country and also Africa.